Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with one of the tutorial where we will be placing logo on this part and on this part by using vanishing point. Okay, you will like it. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, once again. So this bag I have downloaded from FreePic, and this is sort of premium. So what you can do is you can also download this from FreePic if you want to, or you can get similar bag from Google that you will be getting for entirely free. Okay, so let me check. I have the logo and then I have this bag. So what I will do, I will simply have to copy entire thing. Okay, and I will have to create another document. Let's close this. Now I will bring my logo on my canvas, right? So this is the thing. So in this, what we can do, we will simply have to right click on this logo layer, alright, and on this thumbnail right click and select pixels. Okay, you will be able to see the select pixels. So you can see this selection mark around it, and then press Ctrl C, go to edit and then copy. Now hide this and press Ctrl D to leave this selection. Now select your layer which you want to apply vanishing point. Create a blank layer here. Now go to view and then go to vanishing point. You will get inside filter. If you click on filter, and then here you will see vanishing point. For the shortcut you can press Alt Ctrl V. Okay, if we press Alt Ctrl V, this dialog box will open. Now what you need to do is you need to simply click on all the corners that you have for your first. Alright, now press Ctrl. You can see this selection. Now press Ctrl, and then you will see, notice this change in the cursor. Okay, if no Ctrl press, you can see like this, then you may not be able to drag it. But if you press Ctrl only, then you will be able to draw expand it like this. Now adjust your corners. Alright, so make sure you are not doing too much because the corners are somehow connected with each other. So alright, so now just Ctrl V, press Ctrl V, so you will be able to bring this logo that you copied as pixel, and just click and drag it here. It will auto adjust. Alright, so click here, click it like place, and then click on this transform tool T. Alright, I want this to be sort of like this, and I think this should be like this. Now complete circle, and then once you are done, go to your edit plane tool V, and again press Ctrl V, and then bring it here, and then press T. While pressing T, you will be able to see. Okay, so adjust all your corners and everything according to your need. Wherever you want, you can place it here, you can place it here. I am keeping it below because I want this to be part of here only. Okay, if you still want to do some adjustment, so you can do. Right, so this seems pretty sorted, so press OK. So this is how you can see my logos are placed. Now simply go to blend menu and select multiply. So how cool is it? So this is it guys. This was a very short tutorial I wanted to explain, and this is very good tutorial you will learn from here. Alright, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.